seems the situation has developed where the Swan had difficulty making the turn. Probably there was a problem with the controls and she wasn't able to make the turn. And so we have, what happens here is we have a near-miss situation where the Swan almost had a collision with the Challenger. So for us, on the ACMM, there is a reporting procedure that you have to do in a situation like this where there's a near miss. You can see from the bow, the Sea Falcon, the two vessels just passed very close to each other. And here, on this side, you can see it more clearly where there's almost a collision between the two vessels. But nothing happened. It was just a very close situation. But then again, according to our definition of incidents, this is a near miss that has to be reported to the company. So you have to go to your ECMA manual for this procedure about near miss reporting.